so we're going to talk about red blood cells first, and red blood cells have protein hemoglobin, and it's a circle shaped, and the blood gets its color from the protein when it gets oxygen from the lungs. This also picks up carbon dioxide. Red blood cells have a lifespan of 4 months, and the cycle keeps going on. When a cell dies, a new one is produced. They can bend and pass through the body's blood cells. People who have a red blood cell count may have a high risk of heart attack, so better watch out. There are approximately 5 million red blood cells in every cubic milliliter of blood. So, red blood cells.
Hi, I'll be talking about white blood cells. White blood cells are white cells that help fight against infections. They go in and out of the bloodstream. White blood cells have less numbers than red blood cells. The lifespan is from a week to a month, and they help fight germs, bacteria, and viruses.
I'm going to be talking about the similarities and differences between red blood cells and white blood cells. The similarities between these two are that, of course, they are both needed in the bloodstream, but they also have the same kind of stem cell, and they are both found in bone marrow, which is a tissue from your bone. And the differences between these two are red blood cells contain hemoglobin, which is a type of protein, and white blood cells don't really have a protein. Red blood cells don't have a nuclei in the human body, but white cells do. There are only 3,000 to 7,000 white blood cells, and there are 5 million red blood cells. So there are more red blood cells in your body than white blood cells. And white blood cells don't have oxygen, but they help with the immune system. And that's the differences and similarities.